step up to the levels that Mr. So stepped up to. 90,000 pesos ha?
90,000.
Pero feeling ko dapat medyo mag-match itong skateboard na to. This is a never say die, one of a kind, beautiful skateboard.
Okay, so sino gumawa nito? This is made by... Ano ba yan?
Tignan natin ang likod.
Likod.
Ito, nandito ang...
Alright, ito.
Ayun na, never say die.
Skateboard, custom, ayan. So, syempre, starting bid natin agad. 10,000 pesos! Any takers? 10,000 pesos! 10,000!
Oh!
10,000!
Oh!
GM! GM, 10,000!
Meron na tayong
10,000!
10. Right over here. Right over here, Boss Toyo.
Any takers? Table number 1. 15,000. Going once. Going twice.
Don't miss it.
Ano? 2.5.
Oh. 1,500.
15,000.
15,000.
Ulitin ko. Going once. Going twice. Table number 18. Ay, iba yung table 18.
Ay, parang meron senyas dito eh, oh. 25,000 pesos.
Okay, going once. Going twice. Twice kalahati. Ano, 25? Wala na? Okay, i-award na natin sa table number 18. 25,000 pesos.
May empty seat pa po ba dyan sa table 18? Mamaya po dyan ako upo
Ibang klase yata yung table niyo, sir. Grabe. Yan, ibang klase yung table 18.
Can we have our winning bid?
Congratulations. Congratulations.
Very nice. Very well fought.
Sir, congratulations. Congrats.
And ladies and gentlemen, our winning bidders, Mr. Tony Choi and son. His son Adrian. Our winning bid, iba talaga pag ikaw may dala ng bidding process. Boss Toyo, maraming salamat. Congratulations to our bidders.
Thank you, thank you.
O, isa namang photo op dyan. Everybody smile. Clear on what makes something versatile. But before we let our ambassadors go, ladies and gentlemen, konting sayaan muna tayo, di ba? Who wants to have a little bit of fun? Let's do it. And let's do it in the company of the pioneering improv comedy group in the Philippines. Please welcome Spit Manila!
San Miguel, we are cool, we are clear, and we are versatile. So what we're going to be doing is called improv comedy. And for improv comedy, kailangan